Alright, the situation looks like this one. It's Saturday afternoon. We are in the Birdhouse in Sanur. Sanur again, I know, however, we are living here. We're gonna have a beautiful coffee. Sayank is with me today. He used to work today, right? All day long, right?
Oh my goodness, full day working after being in Jakarta.
And where are you going tomorrow?
And yes, tomorrow I'm traveling again. I will go to Sumba.
Hold on a second. Look at this doggo here. Unbelievable. Nice. What he's doing here.
Okay, so tomorrow I will fly again. So in the morning I will go to Sumba Island, East Nusa Tenggara. So yeah, guys, have you ever been to travel around Indonesia except Bali, except Jakarta, except Java Island? So maybe you can comment below. And I think that maybe I will record also there. You know, I'm not gonna make a full vlog like travel vlogs. Maybe I will just like you know, record some parts what I'm doing there in Sumba, because I will be there for 1 week. And Damian also will travel somewhere.
So yeah, Winnie is going tomorrow morning, Sunday morning to Sumba, and next morning, at Monday morning, I'm traveling to Thailand. I'm gonna be in Bangkok and in Phuket for approximately plus minus 3 weeks.
So we are in the area in Sanur Beach. That's over there, the big and tall building you see from here. That's Grand Ina Hotel. And now we are in the area of Segara Village. You see, this is how it is in a Saturday afternoon. People enjoying the time by the beach. It's very low tide. So yeah, as you see that people are having a great time with their families. And this is Birdhouse, kind of the beach club and also restaurant. Some people also enjoying their time with their families. And yeah, there also the hotel, Segara Village Hotel. If you are familiar with Segara Village Hotel, this is the hotel and they refurbished. And over there, I think that some people are having a great time, enjoying their time, massage. If you are a big fan of massage by the beach, I think that you should try once. We decided just to have a walk outside and enjoying our time, having a coffee. So nice. This is the vibe. It's actually in the Birdhouse restaurant. It's very nice, windy in the afternoon. Many people are enjoying their time. I don't know. Hi honey, you have your coffee and cake?
Coffee don't arrive, but I have already cake. I will eat.
Nice. And yeah, this is it for those of you who used to stay in the Segara Village Hotel. It's quite brand new place, new hip place in Sanur.
Also guys, for everyone who are excited to sing Sumba on our channel, we're gonna upload this video when Winnie's obviously come back from Sumba and I come back from Thailand, so middle of October. It's not gonna be tomorrow, and I highly encourage you to checking out my videos from Thailand. For everyone who are watching our channel only just because certain spots in Bali Island and you are simply not interested in watching my videos wherever I travel, don't you worry, we always based in Bali. I'm not going back to Europe. This is our house. When he's born here, I'm living here already for many years. So my home base is always Bali. After Thailand, I come back to Bali, then I go to Singapore, then I come back to Bali, then I travel to Philippines or somewhere. And that's how it's gonna look like.
Okay guys, if someone asking me where is the place that we recommend for coffee and cake in Sanur, there are many options basically in Sanur. One is this one, Birdhouse restaurant, and then that one over there is Luhtus. But now is I don't know, the coffee of the Luhtu is too milkish for me, but I prefer the coffee here. And also the next one, another place that we recommend is Seoul on the beach. And the next one we also recommend Lila Pantai. And on the Tamblingan Street in Sanur, we also recommend Bread Basket. Damian really loves the pretzel and coffee. He goes there every single morning. So yeah, just like, you know, living in Sanur, there are many options for the coffee and cake, or even for the lunch, dinner, breakfast by the by the beach like this. This is it. How is the restaurant in the afternoon? People having a dinner, and nice, beautiful setup here. But I can say it's a cozy place, people enjoying their time. And Damian is there under the coconut tree enjoying his coffee and cake. So this is how the Sanur vibe, even it's very windy. People still enjoying the time, swimming by the pool. So yeah, this is it. How is Sanur vibe? Very family friendly. And you see that quite many people are having a great time, taking pictures with the family. So if you asking me why Sanur, because the vibe in Sanur, so chill, you can relax. This is how Pantai Segara Ayu, Segara village in Sanur. This one is Tutsi Bar and Restaurant for those of you who used to, enjoying time in Sanur. Some people are here. Another new restaurant, Kareta, and this one is the Luhtus Coffee. And this is it. Nice. I think that they republish many things here, including the path now. So nice. Unfortunately, Luhtus today is not that as busy as I expected. And here it is. I think this is the brand new, like walking path, bicycle path. Here is another spot, also warung by the beach, like people chilling, enjoying their time. This is, I think, more, relaxing vibe, right? Okay, so it's dinner time. Now we decide to have a dinner in one restaurant in Sanur. So nice. Damian is waiting for his food. So nice. So here we are. We will have a dinner, Vietnamese food. So Damian is craving for Vietnamese food. This place is always full house. This is the menu. My favorite banh mi, and Damian will order po. So this is it from outside the restaurant. And this is actually in Jalan Cemara in Sanur, next to Puri Santrian. Seems like, nowadays the situation in Jalan Cemara is quite busy, many tourists already coming to this area. Long time ago, it was like, I can say, very dead zone. I mean, like very quiet. But you see, even the shops are open. Tourists are here, international tourists, domestic tourists, and in front of this is the nice warung with the live music every night. So this is the look of the restaurant from outside. This is the restaurant, and another part of the restaurant, if you wanna sit in the aircon room, this is the place. And if you wanna sit by the swimming pool, like what we choose, romantic spot. Okay, so this is our day in Sanur. We had our coffee before by the beach and we decided to have a dinner here. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. I've got banh mi and Damian got po Saigon.
Figure chicken. Sorry.